In the previous lecture, we learned about HTML comments. In this lecture, we're going to learn about links. Links are anchor elements. An anchor element basically allows visitors to navigate within the same page or to other locations. Anchor tags are almost used in every single web page, which provides fast and easy navigation. An anchor element not necessarily has to be a text. Instead, it can be an image or wrap other elements. When this element is used, at least one attribute has to be defined. That is the href, which stands for Hypertext Reference. The href or Hypertext Reference specifies a URL or a URL fragment that points to its destination. To define an anchor tag, okay, we're gonna start like we always do with our elements, the less than symbol, and then the letter A. And then I'm going to I'm gonna close the opening tag, and then I'm gonna add the closing tag, the A closing tag. Okay, now on the opening tag, I'm gonna add the attribute of the hypertext reference, which is href equals signs and double quotes, two double quotes. And as a text, I'm gonna add take me to Facebook. Take me to Facebook. We're gonna go to Facebook. Okay, on the value for the hypertext reference, I'm gonna come over here to get the link. I'm gonna type Facebook. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna highlight these links and copy. Then I'm gonna come back here and paste it in. There it is. Okay, now this link here should take us to Facebook. So I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna refresh the page, and there it is. Take me to Facebook. I can just click on it and it should take me to Facebook. Okay, so it worked. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and so just to let you know, you see the text is underlined, and this is the default style from the web browser, that when the text there is a hyperlink, it will underline it. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna learn about images.